Hello everyone, I am Krishna Kishore. As part of CAISO certification program from ISS UK, today I am going to speak about securing artificial intelligence opportunities and challenges. Before I before truly I start anything on this topic, I would like to thank ISS UK as an entity and Mr. Subramanian Shankaran for providing such a wonderful learning platform and an opportunity to share my thoughts on this topic, securing artificial intelligence opportunities and challenges. So, when we say artificial intelligence is being predominantly used in cybersecurity nowadays, so majorly it is being used in the major areas what we can consider from the recent reports are first one is from automating threat detection and response, other one is endpoint security and automating routine tasks. To automate the routine task, AI is also being extensively used. AI is currently being explored in almost all the functions within an enterprise. There are some potential reasons behind it why AI is being explicitly used or maximized in uses of the cyber attacks as well. The first point what we can consider is about the rise of the sophisticated cyber attacks. The increasing sophistication and frequency of the cyber attacks demand advanced and automated solutions for timely detection and responses. The traditional security methods often struggle to keep pace with the evolving uh, threat landscapes, threat landscapes as they rely on predefined signatures to identify threats. AI, on the other hand, offers the capability to analyze vast amount of data, identify patterns, and detect anomalies that may indicate malicious threats, thereby enabling faster and more effective threat detection and responses. So, several companies are leveraging AI to enhance their cybersecurity capabilities. For example, CrowdStrike leveraging AI within its Falcon platform, which provides endpoint security, threat intelligence, and incident responses services as well. The platform's AI engine analyzes billions of security events daily, enabling proactive threat detection and automated response as well. And the second point, what we can consider is all about the need of enhanced endpoint protection. The endpoints which are being used by multiple systems, just like which includes the laptops, mobile devices, and Internet of Things IoT devices, has expanded the attack surface for cyber threats. Endpoint security is pretty much crucial in safeguarding sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. AI can play a pivotal role in endpoint security by continuously monitoring and analyzing endpoint activities, identifying and mitigating potential threats in real time, and providing proactive protection against malware threats in real time, and providing proactive protection against malware and other attacks. In this context, dark trace, for example, employs AI to detect and respond to cyber attacks in real time. Its enterprise immune system learns the patterns of life of an organization's IT environment and identifies any deviations from the patterns that may indicate a threat. The approach allows dark trace to detect novel and sophisticated attacks that may bypass traditional security threats or the tools. The imperative for the efficiency and automation is another fact where AI being extensively used in uh, attending the cyber attacks. Cybersecurity teams are often burdened with repetitive and time-consuming tasks, while security incident responses teams are overburdened with manual eyeballing on potential alerts. AI can automate these routine security tasks such as vulnerability scanning, log analysis, and incident response, freeing up valuable time for cybersecurity professionals to focus on more strategic initiatives. This automation through uses of machine learning algorithms improves efficiency and reduces the risk of human error and enhances the overall security posture of the organization as well. Automatic responses can triggered for certain security incidents without human intervention, such as isolation of the affected system and other remediation actions that can get better over time through training the AI from past incident data. Another reason why we can consider AI being a good support for the cyber security is the availability of the training data. Within the area of the incident handling and response, AI models for threat detection or the response and endpoint security can often leverage existing security logs, malwares, examples, and network traffic data for training models. This, uh, this the data enables the development of robust and effective AI solutions for these use cases. On the flip side, the lack of sufficient data for other cybersecurity areas may hinder the development of AI applications in those domains, particularly when there are unauthorized AI systems that have been deployed without the cybersecurity team's knowledge, without the past attack patterns and trends to predict where future attacks may occur or what vulnerabilities could be exploited. Cybersecurity teams may be restricted to take reactive stances compared to proactive ones. So, what is the gap now in AI integration? Why are security teams are left out? So, despite the clear benefits of integrating AI into the cybersecurity strategies, there is a concerning trend of cybersecurity teams being excluded from the development, onboarding, and implementation of AI solutions. This exclusion raises several questions about the reasons behind this gap and its potential implication for organizational security. One possible reason for this exclusion is the lack of understanding and awareness from organization leaders reading the cybersecurity implications from AI onboarding and implementations, similar to how cloud technologies such as SaaS were onboarded. Many organizations may view AI as a purely technological advancement and fail to recognize its potential impact on cybersecurity. What can possibly go wrong from some generic statements generated from a text prediction, large language models, or an AI powered customer service agent providing some winter clothes recommendations to customers? What about financial trading systems rely on multiple AI agents to run trading simulations while consuming financial trade data as part of financial robo-advisor solutions? So these are all sort of questions that everyone has to think about, and they must has to include cybersecurity teams as a part of an AI development. The lack of awareness arguably has led to disconnection between AI development teams and cybersecurity teams, resulting the exclusion of the latter from critical decision making process. On other hand, given the promises of new technologies in increasing employees' productivity, it has been constant challenge for organizations to deal with the illegal implementations on these new technologies. This can be seen in the risk of shadow IT, which cybersecurity teams still have to manage. This is arguably due to the organizational silos and communications barriers that contribute to the exclusion of cybersecurity teams in some of these IT deployments that, in fact, are instances of the shadow IT. In many organizations, different departments operate independently with limited communication and the collaboration, especially when there is no specific policy has been implemented for AI. The siloed approach can hinder the integration of cybersecurity considerations into AI development and implementation, leading to security gaps and vulnerabilities. So, what are the better recommendations that we can do at this juncture to integrate cybersecurity team as part of an AI development approaches? So, the first one, what we can basically consider is an involve cybersecurity team early with a continuous integration. So, cybersecurity teams should be involved from the initial stages of AI development, providing on input on security requirements, risk assessments, and mitigation strategies as well. So, this early involvement will ensure the security considerations are embedded into the design, architecture, integration, and development of AI solutions, which will automatically minimize the risk of vulnerabilities and security breaches. Organizations should learn from the past technologies, such as how web applications security, which has matured now with WhatsApp and DevSecOps deployments, were typically managed by an enterprise security team. There is an anticipation from studies by Gartner that agentic AI deployments will be increasing in 2025, especially. Such deployment could throw third party agents to be readily integrated through it could be developed in house too. Regardless of the approach, a proper third party risk management processes would be required for every organization, as well as a mature development through methodologies such as DevSecOps, and those would need to be driven by the cybersecurity team. And the other point, what we can consider for a better collaboration is a cross functional collaborative culture. So, organizations should foster a culture of collaboration and the communication. Within the development teams, we can assume agile teams works under the cross-functional teams. Within the agile teams, we should also have a cybersecurity team also be integrated as part of the development lifecycle. So this can be achieved through regular meetings, joint workshops, and shared training programs. Cross-functional collaboration will ensure that all teams understand each other's perspective, share knowledge, and work together to achieve common security goals. Development methodologies such as DevSecOps also is required to evolve. This is not completely evolved one, still on evolving phase, with MLOps being the next potential new culture and practice that unfurls machine learning application development with system deployment and operations. So DevSecOps and MLOps are going to be part of the regular product development lifecycle, PDLC, or software development lifecycle, SDLC, a cross-functional collaboration culture will definitely helps to encounter AI security related issues during the development phases as well. The third point what we can consider is upskilling and training. Cybersecurity professionals should be provided with the necessary training and upskilling opportunities to stay ahead of latest AI deployments as the developments and the security challenges as well. This will enable them to contribute effectively to AI development and implementation, ensuring that security considerations are addressed throughout AI lifecycle. And the another point what we can consider is about proper selection and usage of training data. Organizations should prioritize the proper selection and usage of the training data for AI models, including both properly sourced real world data, and the generation of synthetic data as well. This will ensure the development of robust and effective AI solutions while addressing potential biases and privacy concerns too. So, by considering applying the above recommendations, probably the organizations can bridge the gap between AI development and cybersecurity, creating a conducive collaboration culture that ensures AI solutions are developed and implemented securely and effectively. The involvement of cybersecurity teams in AI development is essential for organizations to harness the full potential of AI while mitigating the associated security risks that would pose thoughts of the life cycle. In the long run, the goal should still be maintain the digital trust and the organizations have built with their customers. Thank you.